Hey, what's up, peoples? Boy Jason coming at you one more again, doing an unboxing here. Uh, order a tablet off Amazon, and the reason that I chose this tablet is because it came, or it's supposed to come with like a mouse, a keyboard, just everything, like even a case. Okay, so I guess that's like a charger kind of thing. Uh, yeah, and it's like $120, $130. So here we go. Show that. So what is this here? This is perfect. A perfect tablet, you know, take with you traveling. Yeah, it's the charger. Oh, so oh no, this is I ordered this separate. This is my car charger for my phone. So it don't come with the tablet. My bad. But anyway, this would be a perfect tablet to take, you know, traveling or whatnot, or take out, picnic, take to a track, or put in an RV or camper. Like I said, it's $130. And another reason I chose this tablet is it's supposed to be a 10-inch tablet also. So let's throw this away. So it's supposed to be a big tablet, and for $130, I mean, you can't beat that price. And then also it has a dual SIM card where you can put 2 SIM cards in. Yeah. Ooh. So it's a 10-inch tablet. Yeah. Cool, like bigger than my iPad. But the other reasons that I got it in instructions here is because it comes with a case, and like I said, it comes with a keyboard. So if you need to send an email or something like that, or type something real quick, you got it. Not only a keyboard, let's see if I put this somewhere. Wow, it's packaged real nice too. Charger. Where? Oh, comes with a stylus. And another reason that I chose this one here. Oh, a USB to C adapter. Okay. But another reason I chose this one is because it has a mouse. It comes with a mouse. So for $130 or $127 off Amazon, it came with all that. So, yeah. Like I said, this is just an unboxing. This ain't like, you know, firing it up, setting it up, whatnot. Oh, another thing it comes with is it comes with a screen protector. So it comes all that. Like you can't beat that. You can't beat the price. You can't beat what all it comes with. I mean, you pretty much, like I said, you could take this to a coffee shop and just kind of set up and sit back, sip your coffee, send emails, do your itinerary for the day. Just about whatever you need to get done. The screen protector, I think, is already installed on it. Yeah, screen protector is already installed on the tablet. So put it in the case here. Like I said, this isn't a firing up and setting it up and showing you the menus. This is just showing you what comes in it. Come on now, fit in there. Yeah, you can't get this anywhere else. Like what all it comes with, you can't get it anywhere else. And then with the SIM card, you can have your own Wi-Fi and everything with the tablet. Set that there. Yeah, thing is, yeah, you can fold that down, have it like that. Have your keyboard and have your mouse right there, and just, you know, keyboard takes some getting used to. Yeah, but you can still type on it and everything. So yeah, that's just my unboxing of my new tablet. Go to track with it, go picnic, go, like I said, just anywhere. Can't beat that price. I'll post a link in the description or down below or up underneath or whatnot. Y'all go check it out. Good gift for the holidays.